Naming rooms can be an important step in creating our house plan. Room types define the way rooms in our house are set up, including attributes such as floor types, ceiling heights, molding, living area calculations, and more. We'll first start with this room that we want to designate as a garage. Let's double-click to bring up the room specification. You will notice that we can adjust settings including floor and ceiling heights, the room type, moldings, wall coverings, and room structure attributes. We'll go ahead and define this room by selecting Garage from the Room Type dropdown. By defining this room, we set a couple of properties automatically: a slab foundation, a ceiling and roof over the room, and since it is a garage, it is by default excluded from the living area calculation. Once the room is named, you will also notice the interior dimensions for this room are displayed. Now let's change this room to a living room. We'll increase the ceiling height to 10 feet and add a chair rail molding. We will also add a wall covering that reaches from the chair rail molding to the floor by choosing a sample from the library. And finally, we'll create a vaulted ceiling by removing the ceiling over this room. As you can see, the room type has powerful features to help you create the exact room you desire.